Hello friends. Welcome back to Old Coin Vault. If you love rare coins, old coins, and valuable coins, then today's video is very special for you. Today we are talking about a small coin, but with a big story and big value. Yes friends, today's coin is the 10 cents 2002 coin from South Africa. You will be surprised to know that this coin can be worth up to 20 US dollars. So please watch this video till the end, because many people already have this coin but don't know its real value. Friends, let's first understand the basic details of this coin. Country, South Africa. Coin name, 10 cents. Year, 2002. Currency, South African rand. Material, copper-plated steel. Shape, round. Edge, smooth. Diameter, around 16 millimeters. This coin was used in daily circulation, so many people ignored it. But today, coin collectors are searching for it. Now let's talk about the beautiful design of this coin. Front side obverse. On the front side, we see the coat of arms of South Africa. This symbol represents unity, strength, national pride. Above or around it, you will see South Africa written. Back side, reverse. On the reverse side, the value 10C is clearly written. Below it, the year 2002 is mentioned. The design is simple, but that simplicity makes it special for collectors. Friends, the year 2002 is important for South African coinage. During this time, South Africa was updating its coin designs. Minting quality was improved. Some coins were produced in limited batches. Because of this, certain 2002 coins became harder to find in perfect condition. Collectors always prefer coins that belong to transitional periods, design changes, limited mint runs. That's why this coin is now becoming collectible. Now the most important question. Why is this coin worth up to $20? Friends, the value depends on condition and rarity. This coin can reach $20 if coin is uncirculated or mint condition. No scratches, no rust. Original shine is present. Sometimes, coins with minting errors, off-center strike, double die marks, can be worth even more. Normal worn coins may be worth less, but high-grade coins are valuable. If you have this coin, do this. 1. Check the year. Must be 2002. 2. Look for damage or scratches. 3. Use a magnifying glass to find errors. 4. Compare weight and size. Never clean your coin. Cleaning reduces value. You can show it to a local coin dealer. Check online auction platforms. Join coin collector groups. Visit coin exhibitions. Always verify the price before selling. Friends, this was the full detail of the 10 cents 2002 South Africa coin. If you enjoyed this video, like the video. Comment if you have this coin. Subscribe to Old Coin Vault for more rare coin videos. Because your old coins can change your future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.